Hey, Robert Kiefer here with HydroHero, and I am down in a crawl space here in Selbyville, Delaware, and we got a great April Air 1850, I believe, back here, and that is great in this crawl space, but we got some other issues with how it was installed, and I'm going to take you around this crawl space and show you some of the other things that are wrong and how we're going to go ahead and fix those, so stay tuned. Okay, so first I want to point out that this is an absolutely great dehumidifier that this company chose when they did the initial encapsulation here. The only issue is where they installed it. They installed it right next to the wall. So as the air comes in or goes out, not sure which way this one's facing, but there's not enough proper airflow in between here and the wall. This should be moved away from the wall a lot more, so the efficiency is improved with how the dehumidifier runs. So that is issue number one. Issue number two is, here's a sub pump. It's got its lid. Everything's draining into it well. But look here. What's that? 4-inch perforated pipe. See that? Now that drain pipe, right back here, there is no aggregate anywhere around it. It just goes right into the dirt, as you can see. And this is going to clog up instantly and cause this to flood. You can see it's literally been laid on top of the ground. Everybody was too lazy to actually dig and put that in where it needed to go. So that is a really bad attempt at drainage there that's going to have to be fixed. So point out some other things. You can see how water has migrated into this encapsulation, and this vapor barrier we're going to pull off for this customer so this all can be done right. You can see that the drain pan there isn't suspended up, just laying on the ground underneath the HVAC system as well. Oh wow, look at that. The vapor barriers fell off the wall. If you watched our videos before, I have explained what's wrong with this. So this is called butyl tape right here. And if it gets wet, any type of moisture, even from humidity, or the block starts sweating, or there's efflorescence, it falls right off. That's what's gone on here. It's just really bad choice of materials. I haven't been through this crawl space all the way just yet. So you can see up on the block, things are coming apart. Just fell off this wall. So this is just a poor choice of quality material to be used in a crawl space, but you'd get away with it if it was installed properly, anchored properly, the right types of adhesives and mounting brackets. You can make this work, but this is not a good install by this subcontractor. Oh wow, you see it splitting right there. So we're going to gut the encapsulation. We'll be able to save the rigid foam board on there. We'll have to fix AC pan, relocate the dehumidifier, install a drainage system all the way around the perimeter properly. Scott, do you see another sub pump over there?
What's that?
You see another sub pump anywhere?
I do not.
So we'll have to put a second sub pump in here because it all can't make it to that one sub pump where it's located in this crawl space. So once we do all that and get it encapsulated, get everything retrofitted, we can put this crawl space under a lifetime warranty, put under a maintenance plan, take care of it, make sure these people have good, clean, healthy air, and that they're energy efficient as well. If you have a crawl space with a black vapor barrier like this and blue foam on the walls, and you want it inspected, we'll do the inspection for free. Let us come look at everything, make sure that the crawl space is actually waterproof properly and encapsulated properly. And if there's any type of retrofits that we can do to lower the cost of money to make sure that everything's right, we'll be happy to do that. Give us a call at 302-321-7077 or find us on the web at HydroHero.com.